In this video, I will show how to draw vertical line in Microsoft Excel. So click on Insert, then Shape. Here select Line. Press and hold Shift and draw your line. Now in the shape outline, you can change thickness, color, style. And once you select it, you can rotate in any form like flip horizontal, flip vertical, rotate 90 degree, and also you can rotate like this. So thanks for watching.